Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the low-hanging vulnerabilities. Set a strong lock screen using a PIN or long password, and prefer biometric as convenience only. Install system and app updates now so known exploits are patched. Once done, enable auto-updates to maintain that protection. Turn on Find My Device and verify full disk encryption is active to protect data if the device is lost or stolen. These prerequisites stop most casual attackers and set the stage for deeper hardening. Now lock down access and communication. Enable two-factor authentication on your Google and financial accounts. Use an authenticator app rather than SMS when possible because it's stronger. Next, route traffic through a trusted VPN on public Wi-Fi and turn off auto-join for unknown networks so you don't connect blindly. Then audit app permissions regularly and revoke camera, microphone, and location access for apps that don't need them. Doing so limits what a compromised app can exfiltrate or observe. Finish by restricting app sources to the Play Store or verified vendors and enable Play Protect to scan for malware. Use a reputable password manager to generate and store unique passwords, and confirm secure backups plus remote wipe settings so you can recover or erase a lost device. If something breaks, after an update or new install, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps, uninstall the last editions, and restore a verified backup if needed. That one troubleshooting step resolves the majority of problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.